Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm super excited for this because today's actually hair day and I'm going to be doing a naturally curly hair unboxing video. So first thing I got is from Amazon. I'm not sure if you guys have seen these or like on Instagram. It's supposed to be perfect for curly hair. So like this part is open so that you can have your puff or your fluff all just out and free. And so I started boot camp June 1st. So I need ways to wear my hair to class in which it's not going to disturb the current hairstyle it's in. It's not going to be too tight. So I think this is going to be really good actually. I'm really excited about this because I have to run laps in the sun. I know, right? You're like, why is she running in the sun? I have to run like laps, like legit laps in the sun. So I think this is gonna come in handy. I got it in black. This is not the curly cap. This is like some off-brand something. Guys, remember how I told you my brush broke? Yep, my Detangling brush broke, so I got a new one. I personally cannot do my hair without a Detangling brush. Like, I just refuse to. It's just so much easier in the detangling process and so much easier in the styling process. I love my Detangling brush and I always go back to it. It's so perfect, especially because it doesn't have the little beads at the end that rip out your hair at the end of the day. So the next thing you guys are probably gonna be really surprised about and like really shocked is that I got a hair protein treatment. Honestly, this is called Nutress Hair Pure and Honest Performance. I'm really excited for this because they actually had less toxic ingredients than the other protein hair masks do on the market. But long story short, I really want to try this because I know my hair probably does need the protein desperately. And plus I have like 4 different types of hair pattern in my hair. Like the crown part is different, the sides are different, the middle is different, and the back is different. Plus I have an undercut. So I had an undercut for like, I want to say like 2 or 3 years, and now I'm letting it grow out. It's like up to here now, growing out, and it kind of just puffs up. So hopefully this will keep that new growth nice and healthy. So this is from Kazmaleje. Anyway, this is a curls detangling brush, and it has really strong bristles. Like these aren't gonna move anywhere. I'm pretty sure this isn't gonna break unless I like, even then I don't think it's gonna break. Anyway, this is to like detangle your hair in the shower, I believe. It's a paddle comb, and this actually parts your hair. I actually never knew that until my friend, she's the one who got me into this brush, and she was like, this is like a game changer in detangling your hair in the shower. So I was just like, I need it. And we're gonna go into a short intermission so that I can go do my hair, and we'll continue the unboxing